What's good? Welcome to Digital Money Diary. Today's video is all about affiliate marketing for beginners in 2024. Now, if you're new here, I'm Trey. What it do? I'm a six-figure partner marketer who's passionate about helping you make money online. And yes, that includes digital products. So whether you're a new creator or looking to scale to make a little more than you already do, I got you covered, man. And make sure you stick around because I do have a special opportunity that just might be the jump start that you need. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is just a way to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. Okay. So as a partner marketer, as I call it, you get a percentage of the revenue of any sales that you generate through a unique link. So essentially, like you're the middleman connecting buyers with products that they need. And so to give you like a little more of an example, uh, Apple. Everybody knows Apple. Okay. Listen, if you're on Android, I'm sorry, but I'm just playing. But Apple literally has a business outside of what you probably naturally know. Okay, so most people think Apple makes their money from the iPhone or the iPad or the Apple Watch, but they made $85 billion with a B in 2022 from partner marketing. And that's basically through their app store. Okay. So there are other companies that are on the App Store that make apps that anytime someone else purchase those, they pay Apple 30%. Okay. And the reason Apple charges that fee is because that's their audience. And that's basically what these companies are doing for you with these digital products, right? You have an audience, and because the audience makes that purchase, they're going to give you a payment as a thank you for bringing them that customer that they would not have gotten. All right, so that's what affiliate marketing is, and then that's also what it is on a big scale. So starting affiliate marketing has actually never been smarter. Number one, low cost entry. Number two, passive income potential. Number three, flexibility. And number four, growth opportunity. All right. So low cost entry. Look, you can actually get in affiliate marketing these days with little to no upfront like investment. Okay. So I know y'all see a whole bunch of people who, hey, you gotta pay them thousands of dollars to be able to sell online and you're selling their product. That's not what you can do that, but there's plenty of ways that you don't have to pay to get started. That's not where you really want to be. You can actually start today for no cost. Okay, so then passive income potential. If you're on certain platforms and you're giving out information, you can literally have content that lives on day and night 24/7 while people are searching throughout the night making decisions. You can actually earn money while you sleep, for real, for real. Promoting products that you didn't even create. All right. And I'm telling you, I do it all the time. Okay. And it's a great feeling to wake up to money. All right. And then you have flexibility. So when you're doing this, it's extremely flexible, right? It's an extremely flexible part-time gig or side hustle money. You can work from anywhere. You can do it at any time. So it's really like the ultimate lifestyle business once you really get rolling and growing those into a larger amount. And then lastly is growth opportunities. All right. In the affiliate marketing industry or partner marketing, it's actually projected to grow substantially. All right. So now's the time to actually get in on this to learn it. Right. Now, I'm not saying that you need to get in now or it'll be gone later or any of that stuff. Right. That ain't me. Okay. I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is get in and learn as fast as you can so that you can start making money faster. That's really what I'm saying. All right. Now, before we keep going, I really want to give a shout out to the community. The Cash Creator Accelerator is a resource for new and small content creators who might not be making money for the content or they're just not making a whole lot. We really are going to be diving deep into this affiliate marketing and learning how to make money online. So if you're serious about turning your content into cash, go ahead, hop into the description and join the community. We would love to have you over there. All right. So, what are the best strategies for affiliate marketing in 2024? Here are some that you should consider. All right. With influencer marketing on social media, you can get paid to create content. And it's really not as hard as you might think. I'm telling you, it's some of the easiest. Man, blogging and SEO is next. Now, blogging does still work, but it is an uphill battle, right? With the introduction of AI, you actually have people who have mastered it and they're creating hundreds of articles a day. They know the ins and outs of Google and how to rank and make sure they're ranking. They've had these pages like years on top of it, right? So it can be extremely tough compared to some of the other avenues like Instagram or YouTube, right? And speaking of YouTube, that is number three, video content. Like right now, not only is it super engaging, but you can use it to give a tutorial style or like literally what I'm doing right now, right? Edutainment, giving them giving them information and giving them a way to get that information quicker and make a decision. And people will do that. They will make a decision because you helped them, right? And that means you get paid. And then lastly, paid ads, right? Paid ads do work. They, companies are paying millions of dollars a year because they still work, right? They spend millions during the Super Bowl. Kanye West spent, I think, like $7 million on a 15-second or 30-second commercial spot, and he made like $19 million in that 30-second spot. Why? Because it still works. So basically, that still works. But then uh, you have that done now on these social media sites, right? So Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all that kind of stuff. So those still work. Um, the main thing though, you might want to get with your company that you're partnering with because by you running ads, it could cause their ad spend to go up, and they might get mad at you about that. So they might not want you to do that. So just make sure you're checking in with that, seeing if you can do that if that's your route that you're trying to go. So those are some tips to get you some success in affiliate marketing. So here are some tips just to make sure that you can have some sort of success here in affiliate marketing. So make sure that you're giving genuine value. All right. I really can't stress that enough. Just always make sure that your audience is first in what you're delivering and how you deliver. Okay. Make sure you're only recommending products that actually will help. All right. I'm so serious about that, y'all. Um, if it's products that can actually help them and they can actually get value from, that's what you want, right? You only get one chance. If you screw them over at one time for $100, $200, it doesn't matter what it is. It's not worth it, right? You want to give them great products that will give them results, and that's gonna help them tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. All right. And that'll have you swimming in some money. All right, so Scrooge McDuck. Okay. And then next, make sure you're being transparent, right? And you get that trust in there, right? That's a big thing. Trust is huge in affiliate marketing because the days that we live in right now, man, people are making some wild claims, man. And I mean, some people doing it, but I don't know about all of them, right? So you really want to be trustworthy because it's making it hard for people to believe when they're making those claims and it's not true, and then it's scam, all that kind of stuff. Just be trustworthy, all right? And then the next one, just be relevant, right? Be relevant in the products that are really in your space and the niche that you're in, and make sure it's something that the audience needs. Okay, saying that one more time. But that should get you started in affiliate marketing in 2024. And remember, y'all, it's really ultimately about offering value. So stay consistent and diversify your strategies and make sure that they stay fresh. I really hope you got some value out of this video. If you liked it, let me know. Okay, this is something that I do love doing, just talking to the camera, right? Because I know I'm talking to somebody who really does need this, like I did when I first started, and I was looking for something and a way to make an extra, $500 or $1,000, and that turned into multiple thousands. So I'm thankful for that. That's what I'm giving back. If you got any comments, drop them down into the section right there below. If you said, hey, I know I want to do this, I know I'm not making anything right now, making content is not working, go ahead, click the description below, click that link, and jump into our Cash Creator Accelerator community. Like I said earlier, we'd love to have you in there. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.